solve it much easier. On this video, I'll enlighten you on how to import Excel data to Google Earth. To carry out conversion from easting and nothings to lat and long, I'll drop a link on my video description to do that. After you are done with your conversion, you already have your lat and long data on your Excel. What you will do next is to launch your Google Earth. So now I have my Google Earth launched. I want to import that data that I already have into my Google Earth. I will come to File, I'll click on File, and then I'll click on Import. Now under this import, you select the directory where you have the data you want to import. This is the data I want to import in my CSV data that I want to import in that I showed you earlier on Excel. On this file type here, we have different file format that you can import into your Google Earth aside CSV file. We can import Esri, we can import Jyoti, we can import several of these. But what I want to import is the CSV. So I will click on All Files, Open. Now we have it. This is the data import wizard. We click on Next. These are the data that we have on the screen. We have the point numbers, we have easting, nothings, lat and long. It automatically select the field lat and long. In the cases whereby it was not selected, you can easily come to this place and select it. After that, click on Next and click Finish. So it says, do you want to apply a style template? I'll click on Yes. We have the name, we have color, icon, and height. For the name here, you can easily specify field name. You can easily specify the field name. Okay, color, you can use a single color. You select the color that you want it to display. If you want to use color for it, select single color. And we have icons. So use same icon for all features. I'll click on this icon, play around with it, and you get to understand how it works better. With that, click on OK, and after that, you click on Save. And with that, it will automatically zoom out to the exact location that we have the point. Those points that was imported, it will zoom out to the exact location. Okay, and now we are here to see the point that was imported. And to do that, what I'll simply do is to come to these places and I will turn in the, once I turn in now, we have it on the screen. We have it now on the screen. These are the points here. This is how you can automatically import your CSV data to your Google Earth.